Hello viewers, this is the live broadcast. I'm Sion Seosu. On May 10th, 2021, this is the news from the front line of the Indian-Pakistan war, and I will continue to deliver updates. The Pakistani foreign minister stated that Pakistan does not desire a direct conflict with India, which is positive news. Pakistan's foreign minister announced an immediate ceasefire with India, stating that the war could have escalated due to United States and Chinese intervention. The hotline conversation between the Pakistani and Indian military authorities has been restored. This is Kashmir. The explosion occurred in Baramulla, Kashmir, India. Prior to the ceasefire agreement, India attacked the Shahbaz Air Base. It was later confirmed that militants linked to Pakistan's Jaish-e-Mohammed were responsible for the attack, which occurred before the ceasefire agreement. This is Shahbaz Air Base, located in Jacobabad, Pakistan, which was attacked. You can see that the buildings at Shahbaz Air Base have been severely damaged. This is the heavily fortified airbase in Rawalpindi that was attacked by the Indian military. It is known that it suffered considerable damage, but now the restoration has been completed. Pakistani civilians are observing the debris of a crashed Indian military drone with curiosity. This time, it's Indian civilians. Scenes were filmed of Indian civilians approaching and taking away the wreckage of the destroyed Pakistani drone. India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh met with key military commanders to discuss the current situation. It has been officially confirmed that the Pakistani military used Indian-made Pat-1 missiles. Pakistan's Army Chief Ishaq Dar said Pakistan expected many of India's actions and saw no need to retaliate against Indian attacks. The Pakistani Ministry of Defense confirmed a National Command Authority meeting was held to decide on using nuclear weapons. Therefore, Pakistan stated that it is not considering the possibility of using nuclear weapons at this time. Pakistan's Ministry of Aviation will keep its airspace closed for 24 more hours. Pakistani Foreign Minister Rubio said during a phone call with the United States Secretary of State that if India refrains, we will also refrain. He added that the outcome relies on India's moves. Cable News Network reported that this was the first phone call between India and Pakistan since tensions rose. Although it is not yet clear what was discussed, it is certain that this was the first step toward easing tensions. The Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs is closely monitoring the situation between Pakistan and India, expressing deep concern about the escalation. They said that they strongly urge a political solution through dialogue and stability. The International Monetary Fund has urged India to exercise restraint and provided Pakistan with a $1.38 billion loan for 10 months. The urgent talks between India and Pakistan will continue today. We will provide further updates on the India-Pakistan war as the situation unfolds and share the video once it's ready. Thank you to everyone who watched. Thank you.